How to purchase Air Transat travel insurance. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can purchase Air Transat travel insurance. Now, the first step is to log in into Air Transat account, and then once you're logged in, you can only purchase your Air Transat flights or travel insurance when booking your flight. So when booking your flight, you have the option to add travel insurance. So you have to look for the travel insurance section and select the coverage that best suits your needs. Okay. Now, while booking your flights, you can easily, for example, now this is just an example. You are leaving as Denmark, and then you're traveling down to Canada. Is an example. So you've chosen your departure date, and then your return date is Tuesday. Then you click on connect, continue to connect air, and they are taken to the next page. So once you're on this flight page, you have to select the flight that works best for you. So just select the one that has been displayed, okay, for your departure as well as your returning. So from here you can see that the flights are available. These are available, the flights are not there. So just go ahead and select the day where the flight would be available and wait patiently for it to load. Once it has loaded, select it, and once you've selected the flight, scroll down and select your fare as well. So while selecting your fare, ensure you pay attention to see areas where you can see insurance. So once you've selected your fare, scroll down and click on continue, and then confirm your passenger information, then click on continue as well. Then you'll be taken to the next stage where you'll be asked to select a seat. All right, you can just skip seats if you don't want, and then you'll be brought to the luggage section. Select add extra luggages if you want. Then once you're done, you'll be brought to the insurance page. This is where you can insure yourself. So you have different offers. You have the free one, which is unprotected. You can see the protected and the protected plus. Depending on the kind of travel insurance you want. So if you want the protected, just click on select, then scroll down to the bottom right corner, click on continue, and then go ahead and make your payment, and you'll be able to purchase Air Transat travel insurance straight away. So this is how you can purchase Air Transat travel insurance. Thank you for watching and have a good day.